right now.
Number 109.
Run the wiring for all the this has been what can I say? I am super excited for this one because I stumbled upon a super rare part. It was discontinued by Hybrid Racing, and I was able to find it brand new. It was still in the box, everything's still sealed. Oh man, I cannot wait to install this. I was gonna opt out for another aftermarket, a different brand, but man, I was so happy to find this, and now I can complete a look that otherwise, you know, it wouldn't be possible, but now it is. Today we're installing a throttle body and also RDX injectors. What can I say? Super stoked for this video. Let's unbox that super exclusive part and go from there. All right, boys, so we have the RDX injectors right here. These are brand new from Honda. We also had this in the store for sale, so make sure you check those out if you're interested. We also include the adapter clips that you need in order to convert it over to the RDX. We're just upgrading these injectors because they deliver more fuel, and you know, that's gonna give you more power if you get a dyno tune. Straightforward, nothing to it. Let's jump on to the next part. In this box, there's something that it's very exclusive. It's no longer available anywhere. It is a Hybrid Racing throttle body. That's right, man. Check this out. Brand new in the box. Everything sealed. The hardware too. Everything is brand new. The box was open. As you can tell, even the stickers like aged a little bit because it's been stored for so long. Well, let's put this box on the side and open this beauty. Look at this. Amazing. Amazing. Check this out. We have a Hybrid Racing throttle body, 70mm right here in the flesh. Oh man, I can't believe I'm holding this. This is awesome. It came with all the bolts and everything that you need. We're gonna be transferring everything from the old throttle body, which we have right here. It has all the sensors and stuff, so we're gonna transfer over all these parts and sensors onto this and go from there. But man, I'm gonna show you guys up close this part because it's amazing that I have this. Check this out. Hybrid Racing. Amazing. Brand spanking new. This is no longer available. It was discontinued a while back, but super awesome. And then we have all the stuff here that came with it. Cool. So very happy to install this and complete the Hybrid Racing look. The missing puzzle piece right here. Can't believe I have it. But enough of this. Let's get to the install part. So one of the things that you need to do in order to install this kind of setup is install the adapters, of course, but also the ground that's in this harness for the injectors, you need to unbundle it from the rest of the wires and kind of just cut the tape that's been used and just kind of back it up. That way you have extra slack. All done. Let me show you what I did. This two right here, I just came from the bottom there and they just kind of plug them in, went from here to here. And then these two, they go on this side and they just plug in right about there. So this is tucked away. It's coming together. I like it with the mild tucked. Eventually I will get a harness, you know, once I'm done tucking things away and I'm done with, like, you know, placing things where I want them to be, I'll get a custom harness because like this injectors, right now they're using this jumper. I don't want that. Eventually I will get a built-in harness that's just gonna go onto those injectors, and that's about it. But for now I need to, you know, find out what my setup is gonna be before I do that commitment and get a, you know, $800 custom wire harness. So the next thing is going to be the throttle body. I need to assemble it with all the sensors, so let's do that. Alright guys, so I have the Hybrid Racing assembled, and this is the throttle position sensor. The stock one comes with a weird, like a, I don't know, like a rivet type of screw. So all I did was Dremel the center and made it into a flathead, and I just backed it out. Very easy to do. And then you can remove that sensor. This nipple right here I installed as well. But everything seems okay. I put that sensor on the top. I think that's the map sensor. It's ready to be installed onto the RBC. So let me show you that. Alright guys, so we finished installing the throttle body from Hybrid Racing. I need to get a different sensor for here, but that's okay. The injectors are in nicely. Pretty good stuff there. Oh, the throttle body is looking really good. I think the last piece for this installation. I'm gonna leave that for a separate video. Alright guys, so there you have it. The installation of the throttle body is in, also the injectors. Everything went in super smooth. The throttle body design only takes the 02204 if I'm not mistaken, so I'm gonna get that different sensor so I can install it. For overall guys, very nice installation. We got the RDX injectors. The next thing that I need to do is actually install a cold air intake, which I have right now, but I'm gonna leave that for the next video. I think this one's long enough already. But there you have it guys, the installation of these two parts. A super rare find. Super happy that I found it. Now my setup, it's more uniform. It's not gonna be like a different brand throttle body. Now everything's Hybrid Racing, which is awesome. But if you have any questions, make sure you leave it on the comment section. Make sure you leave a thumbs up, and also subscribe and turn on the bell notification for upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching guys, and until the next one, peace.